Okay, this is the last video, and here I'm going to show you the next section, the next part on that lab report, which is the calculations. So this is what I did. I'm going to share this document with you so you can use it as a guide to do your calculations. Now, once you're finished with all the calculations, then remember just to copy and paste this from this document to your lab report. Also, I'm sharing this with you, so you really need to make a copy and then save it so you can make changes according to your data. Okay, so and please, I highlighted some of the sections here, but please make sure that you remove all the highlighted section um, because we're using MLA writing style, so we're not supposed to highlight anything. But anyway, here you have the density of a liquid, which is the first part. Now, if you scroll down, if I scroll down, here you have the density of irregular object, and I gave you examples of the calculations. And then here you have density of the regular shaped object. So for each one of the object, I'm giving you an example, and I did the calculations for each one of the trials. For example, the first one, density of the liquid. How do you calculate the mass of the liquid? You take the mass of graduated cylinder and liquid minus the mass of the graduated cylinder. The answer should be in grams because we're talking about mass. And then I give you an example. Okay, pay attention to this. I have 25.50 minus 15.00. Both numerals have the hundredth place value. So your answer should have those two place values, okay? Remember that in science, those zeros are really important. So you need to include the zero that is after the 5. I have the volume of the liquid. I read that from the graduated cylinder, 8.65. And then look at here, the density. I'm sorry, the density, mass divided by volume. Take a look. I have 10.50 grams divided by 8.65 milliliter. Again, pay attention to significant figures. The 8.65 has 3 significant figures. 10.50 has 4. So my answer is going to have 3 significant figures. So you need to do that for each one of the trials, And as you can see right here, once I did the density for each trial, I took the density for trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, added those, divided by 3, and that gave me the average density. Pay attention to this. You're dividing by 3, but the 3 is a nominal number, so you don't count that for significant figures. I really hope that this is going to help you and you're going to be able to complete the lab. But please, if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out.